Ever dreamed of bringing your own characters to life and building a whole animated world? Let's dive straight in. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new Action Script 30 file. This creates your canvas, where you'll bring your character to life. We'll be using these essential tools. Select the Shape tool to start sketching the basic shapes of your character. Think simple circles for the head, rectangles for the body. Begin by drawing the character's head. This will be the foundation. Then add shapes for the body, arms and legs. Think about the proportions and what kind of character you want. Next, grab the Selection tool and start refining your shapes. You can click and drag to adjust the size and position of these shapes. Adjust the stroke and fill colors in the Properties panel to give your character some personality. Using the Fill tool, start filling the shapes with colors. Now, give your character a facial expression. Use the Shape tool again to add details to your character's face, eyes, a nose, and a mouth. You can also add hair, accessories, whatever makes your character unique. Now your character is created. You now have the knowledge to make your own animated character to use in your future projects. Let your imagination flow. Don't be afraid to experiment. Happy animating!